This is what happens when Mercedes engineering meets no-compromise motorhome design. The Adria Supersonic 780 deciliters 2026 is not built to impress casual viewers or weekend campers. It's built for people who understand engineering, demand comfort, and expect their motorhome to perform like a premium vehicle, not a converted box on wheels. From the moment you look at it, this motorhome makes one thing clear: nothing here is accidental. Everything starts with the foundation. This is built on a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter chassis combined with an ALKO frame, and that combination immediately separates it from average A-class motorhomes. Power comes from a 2.0-liter diesel producing 170 horsepower, paired with a 9G DISTRONIC automatic transmission. On the road, this setup delivers smooth acceleration, confident overtaking, and a calm driving experience even at highway speeds. With a maximum laden mass of 4,500 kilograms, this motorhome is designed to carry serious weight without sacrificing stability or control. At nearly 7.83 meters long, the Supersonic 780 deciliters offers real space, not artificial space created by awkward layouts. The width of 2.305 meters and height of 2.93 meters are carefully balanced to provide interior volume while maintaining proper road presence. This is a motorhome that feels planted, composed, and secure, not tall and top-heavy. Step inside and the premium intent becomes obvious. The front lounge is open, deliberate, and designed to function like a real living room. You're not stepping into a cluttered RV cabin, you're entering a clean, modern space with proper proportions. The seating layout, whether L-shaped dinette or face-to-face sofas, is built for comfort and conversation, not just filling space. The extendable table adapts instantly, and the panoramic A-class windshield floods the interior with natural light, creating a sense of openness that cheaper motorhomes simply can't match. Materials are selected with restraint, and that's what makes them feel expensive. There's no unnecessary gloss or distracting textures. Surfaces are solid, cabinetry is well finished, and every storage compartment closes with precision. This interior doesn't try to scream luxury, it quietly proves it. The kitchen is designed for real use, not showroom photos. A 177-liter fridge freezer allows for extended travel without compromise. The 3-burner gas hob, paired with a proper oven and grill, means you're not limited to basic meals. Counter space is practical, the sink is full-sized, and storage is intelligently placed so cooking feels natural, not restricted. This is a kitchen built for people who live in their motorhome, not just pass through it. Move into the bathroom and the Supersonic continues to separate itself from the crowd. This is a true spa-style layout with a separate shower and toilet area. No wet room compromises, no awkward folding panels. When closed off, the space becomes a private ensuite, offering comfort and privacy you'd expect from a high-end hotel, not a vehicle. Ventilation, lighting, and layout are all handled with purpose. Sleeping arrangements are equally uncompromising. At the rear, you get 2 fixed longitudinal single beds, built for adults, not shortened bunks. These can be combined into a large double bed when needed, giving flexibility without sacrificing comfort. Above the cab, the electric drop-down double bed deploys smoothly and disappears just as cleanly when not in use. For people can sleep here properly, not technically, but comfortably. One of the most important strengths of the Supersonic 780 deciliters is its true all-season capability. Alde Compact 3030 wet central heating provides even, quiet warmth throughout the motorhome. Combined with the technical double floor, this system ensures excellent insulation, protected plumbing, and additional storage that remains usable year-round. This motorhome is not limited by seasons. It's built to operate confidently in winter, not just tolerate it. Technology is integrated intelligently, not overloaded. The Mercedes-Benz MBUX system with a 10.25-inch touchscreen delivers fast, intuitive control over navigation and vehicle functions. Safety systems like active distance assist, active lane keeping assist, and the reversing camera reduce fatigue and increase confidence on long journeys. These are not optional luxuries, they're essential tools at this level. Adria MACH Smart Control brings modern convenience, allowing you to monitor and manage key vehicle systems from your phone. Heating, lighting, and system status are all accessible remotely, reinforcing the idea that this motorhome is designed for efficient, controlled travel. From the outside, the Supersonic maintains a clean, authoritative presence. The silver metallic finish complements the A-Class design without unnecessary decoration. A wide habitation door improves daily usability, while the integrated awning instantly expands your living space. The solar panel supports off-grid travel, and the large rear garage, accessible from both sides, offers serious storage capacity for bikes, equipment, or long-term travel gear. On the road, this motorhome feels composed and confident. The Mercedes drivetrain, combined with ALKO engineering, delivers a smooth ride, excellent noise control, and predictable handling. Long distances feel effortless, not exhausting. This is a vehicle designed for travel at scale, not short weekend escapes. The starting price of around £165,450 places the Adria Supersonic 780 deciliters firmly in the premium category, and it earns that position through execution, not branding. You're paying for engineering, materials, comfort, and long-term usability, not gimmicks or unnecessary features. The Adria Supersonic 780 deciliters 2026 represents what a modern A-Class motorhome should be when compromises are removed. It's precise, confident, and purpose-built for people who expect their motorhome to meet the same standards as the rest of their life. This isn't about owning an RV. It's about traveling without lowering your expectations. If you value engineering, comfort, and long-term usability over trends and gimmicks, the Adria Supersonic 780 deciliters is clearly built for you. This isn't about owning a motorhome, it's about traveling without compromise. If this kind of detailed, no-nonsense breakdown helps you understand what premium motorhomes are really about, then support the channel. Like the video, subscribe for more in-depth reviews like this, and let me know in the comments what you think about the Supersonic 780 deciliters. Is it worth the price, or would you choose something else? I'll see you in the next one.